Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about pronouns. First of all, let's see what is a pronoun. We use a pronoun instead of a noun, right? There are two examples. The first one is the boy. We can use the pronoun he instead of the noun boy, right? Next one is the noun the cats. And we can use the pronoun they instead of the noun cats. We do not need to repeat the same noun again, right? For example, the cats are pretty. They are drinking milk, right? We do not need to repeat the same noun again and again. We can use the pronoun instead of the noun. There are 5 kinds of pronouns in English language. The first one is subject pronoun, right? We can use a subject pronoun at the very beginning of the sentence, otherwise as the subject. For example, I'm a teacher, he is a doctor, it is a cat, like that way. And also in interrogative form, the subject pronouns comes second. Is he a doctor? Yes, he is a doctor, right? The second one is object pronoun. We can use the object pronoun as the object of the sentence. I like him. I like him. Him is the object of the sentence, right? The third one is possessive adjectives. We use the possessive adjectives before a noun. We cannot use these possessive adjectives alone in a sentence. We must use this possessive adjective before a noun. Bag is noun. The adjective is my bag. Bag possesses by me, right? My bag, your school, their house, like that way. Fourth one is possessive pronoun. It is same with the possessive adjective. We can use mostly the possessive pronouns at the end of the sentence. For example, this is my bag. My bag. This bag is mine. The idea is same, but we use the possessive pronoun at the end of the sentence. This bag is mine. The shirt is hers. That is her shirt. It possesses. That shirt is her. That shirt is hers. It is the possessive pronoun. We use it at the end of the sentence. Last one is reflexive pronoun. We repeat the same noun or pronoun again. The boys found the seeds by themselves, right? The boys found the seeds by themselves. We repeat the boys again as the reflexive pronoun themselves. I saw myself in the mirror. We repeat the pronoun I again using reflexive pronoun myself. I saw myself in the mirror, right? I hope you understand the lesson well. Thank you.